Hi guys, good morning. Peter Thompson, Senior Mentor of 1 Billion Signal, sponsored by Merit Forex. Welcome to our Friday review about the major currency pairs. We're gonna speak about the significant levels. Practically, we're gonna follow up what's going on this week since Monday through Wednesday and now Friday. So a couple of interesting events we got this week. Interest rate decision in Europe, of course, from ECB. Also crude oil inventories, FOMC meeting minutes. They of course talk about the interest rate decisions, what they're planning to do. So for now, as far as we know, they're on kind of on hold to see how the US economy is going to perform, so later on they can think about to increase or decrease the interest rate. And this is definitely reflected on the US dollar. So as usual, we start with euro US dollar in front of us. Euro is trying to push higher, so to be honest with you, I'm not planning to trade euro, and probably we are not gonna trade euro in the coming weeks. GBP directly again, Brexit and Brexit. So GBP is going nowhere, up and down daily basis, staying right above the support level 1.044. This is 1.3044. So it's important support level with 1.3217 as resistance level here. So for now, I'm not gonna keep my focus on Great British Pound. I don't believe we're gonna see significant price action on the GBP until we see some results from United Kingdom regarding the Brexit. And we jump directly to Australian dollar, US dollar. So as we see, price is staying right in the middle of the support and resistance boundaries. 0.7203 as resistance. I'm gonna keep this level for next week with the same support level like before, 0.7074, and I'm gonna keep the support zone for the next week as well. Australian US dollar, nothing significant here, so we jump directly to New Zealand US dollar. So we can see New Zealand is pushing lower, tried to break out the support, false breakout. We see here 0.6719, and we're gonna keep the same levels for sure, 0.6758 as resistance and 0.6719 as support level. So if we see a breakout, significant breakout of course of this support level, we definitely gonna have room to drop down furthermore. USD Canadian dollar, one of my favorite currency pairs related with crude oil. USDCAD tried to break out the support level, didn't manage to, went back to the resistance. We're gonna keep the same levels, of course, 1.3374 with 1.3286 as support level. And right now the crude oil is obviously trying to push lower, trying to drop. So we got interesting information about OPEC. So they are right now, they're discussing what to do, because with the price of the crude oil, they are absolutely eligible to cut, of course, the crude oil production, or to increase the production of the crude oil. That's how they influence actually the price of the crude oil. Very interesting. Anytime definitely I'm expecting a sell-off of the crude oil, which is probably not gonna create a downtrend. Mostly I'm looking for correction. For now, we can say this is an indication. Yesterday it's an indication about the crude oil, further crude oil drop, but it's still not, I would say, not quite significant. So we are expecting crude oil drop any moment. Just be careful, guys, when you're going long on the crude oil. But definitely, as you can see, the crude oil trend is totally up, which is practically indicating for further drop of the USD Canadian. If the crude oil goes up, Canadian is following in terms of trend, is following the crude oil. So, pretty interesting situation between crude oil and USD Canadian, and we go to USD Swiss. USD Swiss franc broke out the parity level. Very interesting price action. 1.0 is our parity level here. Now we can easily start looking for buying opportunities. Our resistance 1.01 here. We're gonna keep the same for next week, and our support, because it's broken already, our support line, the parity level 1.0. So USD Swiss franc is pretty interesting currency pair, and I think it's worth it to follow it next week. USD Japanese yen, definitely something that I was expecting, didn't happen obviously. I was expecting to see Japanese yen continue going up after this decline and practically to reach even 109.77, it didn't happen. Right now it's heading higher to break out the resistance level 111.91. Bear in mind that this is very strong resistance because it's around round number 112.0 round number, and it's even a zone 112.21, 111.91. It's pretty interesting how the price is gonna react around this level. It's a matter of a couple of days to see if we're gonna see breakout, continuation of the uptrend, or the price will decline from this level and heading to the downside. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I really wish you have an amazing weekend. Have fun. Don't forget, this is very important part of trading. And of course, subscribe to our YouTube channel, of course to our Facebook and Instagram. Thumbs up, comment on the section below. Enjoy the weekend.